Okay guys, we finished this project for in dry sanding to finish this part of wheelhouse right side. Okay guys, let's continue. Okay, this part we need to dry sanding. Okay, after dry sanding we put primer and first coating and final coating to finish this wheelhouse and then paint. Okay, so for now we're going to start now by 20 degrees. Doesn't work. Okay, 30 only smooth. Okay, we need to use this 60 and 100.
Or ano, sabi mo, or wait, mamaya pag uwi namin. Or I'm not going to park. I think we know my location. I know, so go get there.
Okay guys, if you need rush, we can use the 60 to 80 grit of this just to make a smooth and flush the this part of area, so easily to finish this video. Okay, by using this grit, maybe 80 to 120. Okay, not okay. Now we use a 60 grit after 100. To become smooth and flush. We can touch it smooth flush. Okay, know it perfectly because no one can know the thickness of this pillar and paint and the fiber to make it tight and cover the rushes. So little by little only. After this, we can